Greenhouse shelving creates a useful storage space for tools, seeds and pots, giving extra growing space in a busy greenhouse. Before fitting your shelf, you will need to decide its preferred height. Measure and mark this position. Here we are marking the plain end gable first. Identify the correct batten for the door end or plain end gable from the instructions provided. 6 foot and 8 foot wide greenhouses have differing batten lengths. Holding the shelf batten level to the required height, fix using screw type SC128. Repeat the process to fix the door end gable batten, fixing with screw type SC128. Next, you will need to fit the small support block to the side wall mullions. Mark the position of the support block using a level from the pre-fitted gable battens. Fix the support block in position using screw type SC128. Lift the shelf into position and place on the pre-fitted battens. Finally, fit the angled support bracket as shown using screw type SC026. Your shelving is now ready to use.